Good morning, students, everyone. Today I am going to explain in thermodynamic. The concept is entropy. What is meant by entropy? Entropy is a measurement of randomness or disorderness of the particles of the system. It is called as entropy. It means that in the system the particles are there is no order, proper order. The particles are randomness, means they can move any directions. The particles are now just see the properly. Entropy is a measurement of a randomness or disorderness of the particles. We can measure of disorderness or randomness of the particles of the system is called entropy. Now entropy depends on the temperature, pressure of the state. It can depends entropy, it can depends temperature on the depends pressure and temperature. Now entropy it represented as a S, capital S. Now entropy is a state function and it is a extensive property. It depends on initial temperature, final temperature, initial pressure and final pressure. That is a state function. It depends on initial and final, but does not depends on path and do not depends path of the system. Do not depends on path of the system. Now it is a entropy, the thermodynamic property that measured amount of one more also we can write. That is the entropy is a state function, so that can change in entropy we can represent as delta S. It is independent of the path function, path of the system, how it is going. Now the change in we can write as delta S is equal now final entropy minus initial entropy. That is, we can write one more method. It is just with taking symbol S comma SB. SB is the final, SA is the initial. Also we can write. Now whereas now in these cases, now it is for isothermal expansion of ideal gas. Isothermal expansion of gas. Expansion of an ideal gas. Isothermal expansion of gas, that is delta change in entropy is same whether expansion is carried into vacuum and against the constant pressure or reversely. That is, we can write as this, we can define as an isothermal process. In isothermal process, change in entropy we can write as delta S. Now this is defined as delta S is equal Q reversible by temperature. It is very important formula. Now we can learn in this chapter. Now this means that the isothermal expansion of ideal gas as the S is the same whether expansion or carried in the inside the outside the carried in the vacuum, the pressure against the constant pressure also. Now in this case now this one Q reversible is heat absorbed during the reversible path, and delta E is 0 in reversible path. It is called as N's first law of thermodynamics. Then we can write as Q reversible is equal to minus W reversible is equal, that is 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. Yesterday we discussed this formula also, that is delta S is equal to Q reversible by T is equal to 2.303 N, or N here T is there, N or log V2 by V1. It is also one more formula we can use for the calculation, very important. Now entropy of isothermal phase changes, isothermal entropy. Next one, that is entropy for isothermal phase changes. The entropy change associated with the temperature, it depends on the temperature. That is the reason T1 to T1, T2 to T1 at constant pressure. Then the equation will become delta S is equal to 2.303 Cp log T2 by T1, whereas Cp is a molar heat capacity at constant pressure. This is a formula also we can use for the calculation. Next one is there is a entropy of vaporization. Now for a process, liquid at equilibrium with the vapors. In this case, change in entropy of vaporization is equal to change in enthalpy of vaporization by T in boiling temperature. Now in this case entropy of vaporization always greater than 0. Now entropy of vapor is equal to change in entropy of vapor is equal to entropy of vapor minus entropy of liquid. Now then we can write as entropy of vapor is always greater than entropy of liquid. For the 1 mole of gas, it is also very important. Entropy of the liquid. Now in this case, 1 mole of liquid is measured. Large increases in disorderness of the system on the vaporization. This is a formula we can use for disorderness of the system. Now it is an endothermic process, hence it indicates exothermic, endothermic. It is indicate endothermic process. They measure the large increase in disorderness that occurs on the vaporization. The molecules are pressure vapor phase and have more freedom of the motion.